Why would they deny this? Even when they give you, let me say, I remember when you just hear that, oh, my brother, oh, they don't give you resident permit. Hey, check your back the next day, Nigeria. Like, we don't.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, he get one video today where they for interview Mrs. Iyobosa. So that video, I want to analyze my darling people. More than listening, I see where Mrs. Iyobosa, whether they interview there, that Zion lady, where she for talk say wetin make them not dey allow family member come their house. Ma fair play some parts for una, more una listen before I go analyze them. Like the thing see they shockalize me, like seriously.
All our country not perform that. I say I don't need friends in my house. I don't Nigeria.
Okay, we don't need friends.
Yeah,
Okay, we are friends, but we don't need friends where you say we're going to cut and eat. Oh yeah.
Now the year.
Oh yeah.
No, Nigeria.
I know. Okay. You get what I want to explain. You get what I want to explain. Yeah, why I think say a lot of people know they get. Okay. You get what I want to explain. Somebody write. He said for Igbo culture. He said for Igbo culture. So I don't want no culture. If there's any culture where we say.
So he ask and say, for Igbo culture, if woman born for man, she say no. You know one answer that part because now Igbo man if born for and the Igbo man cry come meet Enoge say the Allah make it see he pikin, but they pay for that shaft. My sister Mrs. Iyobosa, me I no understand you, shall because he get why I no understand you. You say you with your husband say una no go green make family member, make friends come una house, of which the thing see they shockalize me up to today. Say how somebody go say he no go allow friend come his house and family member no go come their house. The reason be say they no want make anybody know their secret. They don't want make people know how they make their money. If people know now they feel go put it for problem. Hey, that part now me see they come they wonder say, does it mean say Mrs. Iyobosa, you with your husband they do wrong business, una they do fake business for una house, what until they make money? Now wow, some people go want you use their hand there, take carry problem come put for themselves. Una say una no want make friends, una no want make friends so that make them not come know wetin una they do. Because according to the interview, the Zion lady asked them, say, which work your husband they do? Work when the husband they do na lager job. Lager job for Germany, yeah. If you too receive 1.5, if you come too big, say you too pick carton. Na carton that they pick, it go be 2,000 euro. You understand? So, now, when the Zion lady asked your husband dodged that question. He said, no, you don't want to talk work when they do. But if they do all that things, till they make money. Hey. Now, what me I want to know? Now, what make them? No, they make friends. Zion lady come see ask them, say, wetin make una no want allow family member come una house. He said they get raised this because they don't want make any family member come their house. They don't want make any family member come they ask them money. Before you ask them money, you must bring proof. Hey, my brother, you should not be one chance you enter for this woman hand. Don't let your family come the verse for your wife. Oh. Say now she they cause and way be say they even give them anything. He said they must want proof. They talk so many things. I was like, this woman, are you okay? How you go marry man? You not go allow the family member come greet him. Not be able to stay, come greet him. You say lie. If the family member want come greet Miss Iyobosa, then he go stay outside. Like my people. I never see this kind of thing before.
I be the father of my children. That particular one, no be true. Okay. I want to go another one
so,
now.
May I contribute? Concerning, okay, let me see, say, okay, for example, now say the way they talk and say, Tiri father, first children, third father, first children.
Before then, and I not record that part, he asked and say, waiting your baby father. He said, no. He said that his husband get all the children. Hey, now wow. Waiting make you not want let the guy come dey see pikin. Father come out. So many women, their own pikin papa no gree come ask of pikin. You even see the one wey come. Mrs. Yebosa say no go gree. Make the man see his pikin lie. Now, he say all the children belongs to his husband. Hey.
Those people, like for this abroad where it's so not even abroad, even the times of our mothers they come. Now where it they say you must go for one man, even though the man they kill you, they beat you.
They not talk say you must born for one man. If you not work out, you go. And you'll still carry another person again because you see young. But not deny the pikin of your papa. It's not good. Single mothers then. Not deny your pikin. Not deny your pikin. Say make you not see your papa. No, it's not good. It's not good. More than not do what this Mrs. Yebosa they do.
I tell you today. If you even look into this social media, people where we say people parent and say, tell mama to 2 different men, to 3 different men, to 4 different men. Man never married them, but they sit down, they sweat for inside one house, who every day. Now one for the talk say, Mrs. Yebosa, 3 children, 3 papa. Mrs. Yebosa, wait, they satisfied married house, married to one of the most responsible men in the whole wide world. Even the kind man where we say me and married, single girl where we say never drop back or where get people. You not go fit get the type of husband where we say me and get. So what are we talking about here? Is Mrs. Yebosa your mate? How can you be you know, I want to talk and not the all those type where we say it hide the ATM, you understand? Like me now, my husband people, my husband bank account, my husband everything, you understand? I dey in charge. You dey feel me?
Yes.
Anytime my husband have salary, me myself I have salary, you understand?
According to her, she talk say she dey go dey find cleaning work they do. Because if they work, I see born pikin come dey stay house. And my darling people, he say sometimes they go they do cleaning job. I was like, he big man wife say go to do cleaning job. Now wow, not the way Musa not go see for ghetto. Sometimes she they go they do petty things, find work where she go they do. Big man wife. That we will not deceive ourselves, my sister. That 10K where you they show, now the same money where they show everybody ever since. So we know everything, we know waiting there for this Germany here. Except say you they do fake job. And according to una they fear me, una no want make friends not know una secrets. That's just the truth of the matter, my darling people. So anything you want to think about this video, want to leave on a comment for the comment section, my darling people. Bye.